But they can't hunt.
Not yet. They'll only be capable hunters by the time they're 2.5 to 3 years old. But as long as they stay with some of the adults, because the station. Now, if they were to be mating, which they might be, they would mate on average between every 20 minutes. Very successful. Very similar hunting technique to the wild dogs. They run their prey down till it's tired. Showing a lot more sign of must today. It's dribbling urine again. See how wet the back legs are. It's not from the river.
Coming.
Themselves nicely locked together there. Age. Lost most of the black coloration by the time they're 6 months old.
The two fishes were fighting or something on the ground. Did you get a photo of it? No.
Struggling to stay awake. We'll fall over there.
Sorry, Rob, I didn't drop a branch. Maybe with
scratches on him from when you last saw him. He has had a fight over a kill with Nuletti a couple of days ago.
Put that grass in front of the lion's feet.
There we go, head up now. He's trying to check if she's ready to mate or not.
There's a movie called Anchorman. Have you watched Anchorman at all? He creates a perfume called Six Man.
Here we go. Stupid.